Alright, I'm going to try second box. Second box. Playbook. Football. No silver. Thin one. Thin one. Freaking fatty. I think one's a patch, one's a jersey. Just by weight. Yeah, some have 3. Alright, here we go. First up, the $2.99. Blighty Ray Wilson. Haven't seen him before. Rookie auto. $2.99. Oh, this one's I must have a base card in here. Yep, there's 2 cards in here. Autograph number 84, Cecil Shorts III. Cecil Shorts III. And a base card, which these are tough because you only get one every few boxes, Jamal Charles. Base. Alright, first book. Another good rookie. Rookie jumbo jersey of Matt Barkley. Matt Barkley. Alright, here we go. I don't know which version this is. It's like really platinum-y rainbow. I think it's the Shadowbox RPA, I think. Boom. Kenny Stills, number to 25. Kenny Stills, rookie patch auto to 25. Boom. There you have it.